Hey guys, welcome to OnFireRobloxScripting, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to basically get Roblox Studio onto your device so that you can go and make awesome games. So by the end of the tutorial you should have Roblox Studio, and you can open it up and it'll look like this, and you can become the world's greatest developer. So let's just get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is head over to Google headquarters down in San Francisco. Now to do that, what you actually want to do first is head to your nearest airport and go straight to San Francisco. Once there, you want to take a car ride to NVIDIA and get a brand new GPU, because we all know your GPU sucks. Okay, so we're going for the 5090 here, and we want to make sure that we get it straight from the source. Once that is done, head over to Roblox headquarters, walk up in there, and straight up just ask them for Roblox Studio. And once you have got to Roblox Studio, you can then open it on your own device and you can go and develop games. So yeah, that'll be it for this tutorial. If it helped you, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!